Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI marketing manager to your Shopify store. This is really cool. You're going to want to pay attention to this. And adding an AI marketing manager, you can imagine AI is coming into every single facet of digital marketing. It's going to come into e-commerce as well. And this is one of the coolest implementations that I've seen. You're going to literally be able to add AI into your store, and it's going to result in increasing in revenue, increasing time saved on your end, and really just a lot more. And I think we're going to see more and more of this as we kind of continue on. AI, it's kind of here to stay. And it's really just about who's going to be the most creative in terms of implementing cool solutions. And I'm going to show you a really cool one in terms of marketing. And this AI is going to automate tons of key marketing tasks, abandoned emails, welcome sequences, a whole lot more. And a real popular strategy right now, super trendy right now, and also super effective, is to automate repeatable tasks to give Shopify entrepreneurs your time back, right? That's the whole idea. AI is not going to, completely control and run your business. It's going to help automate tasks that you simply don't want to do on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to show you a little bit more. And right now there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. So you're going to need to use an app in order to get this done. I'll show you the app that does this. It needs to be super easy to use and require no programming, no technical skill. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use this AI. That's the kind of cool part. It really just kind of works right out of the box, and it can expand on lots of different kind of use cases that we'll go over. But the app should really deeply integrate with Shopify. That's the key. We need it to automate key marketing tasks. We need it to report data, analytics, right? We need to have all of the information accessible in Shopify to be accessible to the AI, and that's why it's a really easy to use app inside of Shopify. And that app is called TinyEinstein. It's what I use, it's what I highly recommend. And really, if you want to implement AI into your Shopify store, this is by far the best way. It's an AI marketing manager, and you see the link directly below this video. This is a really cool tool. I'm going to show you over here. Here is the link into the App Store, right inside of Shopify, TinyEinstein, and it uses GPT-3 to basically automatically manage some of your marketing. And you could do email marketing over here. You see it's going to automatically import store data, and it's going to provide real-time analytics. How is it going to do that? Well, literally AI integrates with Shopify. So we have all of the information on Shopify available inside of the AI. And you're going to be able to do things like create and schedule weekly newsletters, create and deploy pop-ups on your store, automatically enable abandoned carts or welcome emails, right? Two of the most important sequences out there. You could thank new customers for purchasing at your store, all using GPT-3. The AI that is right now the #1 AI out there, just integrated into your marketing for your Shopify store. Incredibly powerful here. And all you need to do, press the Add App button over here. I'm going to go inside of my TinyEinstein account and kind of show you around, but you'll be able to get this app in your store, 7-day free trial. Again, you see the link directly below this video. All you need to do is just press this Add App button right here. Once you install TinyEinstein, you'll be brought into the onboarding section. And it's really cool. We'll just step through this. This is going to kind of tell TinyEinstein a little bit about your business so they can start to kind of really match your brand. And they even have tone of voice. I really love this over here. And you can click on any little eye icon. It's going to tell you more. Tone of voice tells TinyEinstein how your brand should sound, right? Very important in terms of this. So we have formal, uplifting, entertaining, friendly, informative, assertive, right? It really depends on the style of your brand. I'm going to go with friendly over here in terms of this. And now we're going to do a little description about our company and our products. And you see a little example over here. It says BarkBox is a monthly subscription of the best treats, toys, goodies. So you basically just give a little description about your brand. Okay, so I put Good Pets is a brand that designs creative cat and dog t-shirts and apparel with funny quotes, or you can put whatever you want here in terms of describing your company and product details. Now we have a layout over here. This is going to be the selected layout for all of your email templates, and you could take a look at a little preview over here, but basically again AI generated for most of the parts here, the image as well. Of course we have our logo. We could preview how it's going to look on mobile as well, so to make sure that it looks good on both of these. You see a couple different styles over here. We got a little header navigation over here. I'm going to go, actually we'll take a look at this preview over here in the second one, pretty similar. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to go with the first layout, but you can just basically click and choose which one you want. Then you click submit. This is again telling TinyEinstein about your company or your brand, your products. You can watch this video over here in terms of showing how this all works, but I'm going to really walk you through exactly what you need to do over here. And again, we're right here on our dashboard. You want to confirm your email. Again, it's going to send an email out to the admin email. You just confirm that. to get everything finalized and set up. And when you're on your dashboard for the first time, you're not going to see any stats, but this is a really important slide here, or a really important page, I should say. Lots of different information here about how things are working. What's our total revenue, right? Talking about total revenue generated by our store. And then we see it breaking down on automations. Literally how much money has been automatically generated here with TinyEinstein's AI. And we have this under the automations, and then we also have the AI driving campaigns. And we have this for the total revenue generated by sending any campaigns through TinyEinstein. You'll see your audience size in terms of basically your email list, new subscribers, seeing how many you're growing by. And this is something you'll probably check in every day or every week just to kind of see how TinyEinstein is working for you. As we come down here into the automation section, again, a little bit more in terms of the stats, showing specifically about the automations down to email sent, email open, email clicks, generated conversion, and of course, dollars and cents in terms of what we're making. And here's the real cool part about TinyEinstein. To get things going, we literally just need to toggle these buttons. You'll want to make sure that you've confirmed your email address first, then we can literally turn these on, right? We're going to turn on thank you, we're going to turn on abandoned cart, and we're going to turn on our welcome series. And we have these three set up and ready to go. And you could read a little bit more about them again with the eye and see exactly how they're going to work and how they're performing right inside of this screen, right? So again, thank you for your purchase. Going to go out 1 hour. And this is an automation that works only with Shopify Store. So this is really exclusive in terms of using TinyEinstein with Shopify. Incredibly powerful. Same thing for abandoned cart, right? We're going to send an email 4 hours out. If the order is not placed, see the stats inside here. And the welcome as well, right? We're going to be able to welcome people in to this or to our audience. So this is for new subscribers, right? People that are new in here, they're going to get welcomed and kind of activated in our brand. So we have all these three automations. And again, TinyEinstein is filling the content, filling everything out, right? We saw the template in there. We were really just kind of giving information about our brand, connecting it to Shopify, letting TinyEinstein do the rest of the work. And we'll see this information kind of grow as these automations start to go out to our different customers. Let's click over into campaigns now, and very similar to our automations, we're going to be able to have campaigns auto-generated by TinyEinstein. Of course, we'll be able to see all of our stats up here. Really, really easy to use this entire platform. Just like we saw before, we're going to simply activate these different emails, and we can preview them to see exactly how they're going to look. Again, we see this in terms of matching up with our look and feel of the template that we selected as we did onboarding. See images getting pulled automatically from the site, right? I didn't enter this in here. I didn't create any of these. I didn't create this subject line or any of these texts or any of these titles, all done through TinyEinstein's AI. Very powerful. And let's say you don't want this email. We can just turn it off, and you see the date that it's going to send at. See a weekly email sends over here. So we could just literally turn them all on, and they're going to go out to our customer base. Again, we could preview exactly how it's going to look. We see our product image. We have the call to action link over there to click them right into the product. Very powerful. And you see all of our different subject lines kind of created automatically through that AI. It's really cool, really powerful. I'll show you audience over here as well. You're going to start to see your subscriber and your new subscribers, your available audiences, and as people join, they'll be placed into these audiences. Of course, you can segment, for example, the welcome segment for those new subscribers that go into those campaigns that are associated in there. So again, seeing everything right inside of the TinyEinstein AI dashboard. It's really powerful, and again, very easy to get started, right? We want to turn on these automations, just click the button, preview exactly how it's going to look, right? We have our little welcome series over here. We have our thank you purchase over here. We have our abandoned cart over here at return to my item. So you can go right over there. And this is dynamic for each customer. It's going to create that abandoned cart automatically. So very powerful here. Again, you want it off, now it's off. You want it back on, now it's back on. Same exact thing for these auto-generated campaigns. And you see the dates that they're going to go out over here. And most importantly, you'll see the stats at all times. So really, really easy to use, but incredibly powerful over here. This is the back end of TinyEinstein. So that was TinyEinstein, as you saw, incredibly powerful, but also very easy to use. Start automating your entire store in less than 2 minutes. See the link directly below this video. You can check out TinyEinstein.ai, automatically connect your Shopify store, and it's used by literally thousands of Shopify stores, including See's Candy, some big names out there. You can learn more about them or go directly into the Shopify App Store, get TinyEinstein into your store and start automating those super important marketing tasks using their AI. Really cool, really powerful, highly recommended, and I hope this helps you scale your business.